Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this easy beaded pigtail hairstyle. So I started off by spraying her hair with the spray bottle, and friends, all the products that I use in this video I'll have in the description box below for you. And then I'm going to detangle her hair with the wide tooth comb. And now I'm just going to create a part from ear to ear. And this is what it's gonna look like. And now I'm just gonna create a middle part, and I'm gonna use the tip of her nose as my guide to where I'm gonna make that part. And now I'm gonna put these two parts in a ponytail, but before I do that, I'm going to spray her hair with the spray bottle and then make sure her hair is all nice and detangled. And then I'm gonna grab some of this flaxseed gel and I'm going to put that on her edges. And then I'm gonna take this fine tooth comb and I'm just gonna smooth out that ponytail before I get that elastic in there. And then I'm gonna use those exact same steps on the other side. And now I'm just gonna take a piece of hair from the ponytail, and you want it to be thin enough to be able to fit in the beads, but thick enough that it's able to hold those beads. And then I'm just gonna spray the hair. I want it to be damp and I want it to be nice and smooth so that those beads will just slide on. And then I just combed it just to make sure it's all detangled. And then I'm going to take my beater, and I already have my beads on the beater, but I'm gonna take my beater and I'm gonna put those beads on the hair. And then I just took that and I just wrapped it around the ponytail, and I put more beads than I needed on. I did that on purpose just so that I can, just in case. I'd rather just slide those beads off rather than have to get that beater again and then add some beads to the hair. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna take that beater again and I'm gonna slide it into the last bead. And then I'm just going to put the end of the hair in that beater, and then I'm just gonna slide that hair into that last bead. And then I'm just gonna take the rest of the hair and I'm just gonna wrap it around the ponytail. And then I'm just gonna secure that with an elastic. If your little one has thicker hair, you can use a bobby pin or a pin. I didn't use that with Sefari just because it just sticks out and doesn't look too nice. And then here I'm just taking the beads and I'm pulling the ponytail and I'm pushing those beads on top of the hair that I wrapped around. It just makes it look nicer, and it also holds it there nicely. So I'm gonna do the exact same steps on this side, and I'm just gonna show you all the steps just because it gives you a different view and you might see something you didn't get to see on the other side. So I'm just taking that beater and I'm gonna put all the beads on that hair. And then I'm just gonna take that hair with the beads on it and I'm gonna wrap it around the ponytail. And then I'm gonna take whatever extra beads I have left out. And then I'm just gonna take the beater and I'm going to put it in that last bead, and then I'm gonna put the end of the hair in the beater and then pull that hair through that bead. And then I'm just gonna take the rest of the hair that I have left out and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail. And then I'm just gonna take an elastic and I'm going to secure that with an elastic. And then I'm gonna push those beads on top of that hair that I wrapped around the ponytail. And then I'm just gonna use some of this flaxseed gel that I made so that it could help define her curls and to hold that curl. And And then I'm just gonna grab some more flaxseed gel on her edges just to clean them up a bit. So my friends, there you have it, another cute hairstyle you can do in your little one's hair. If you like this hairstyle, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye.